Alright, YouTube. Today is a beautiful day here in Michigan. So, me and my son will try to troubleshoot some more on this Mazda here. We'll use this test light here that I bought it from the O'Reilly. I will just check all those, the coil pack, see if they have spark. And also we'll check the compression of the engine. Okay, let's do it. Now it's about popping the hood and see if it's easy or not to check all the thing. This is like, it's not that easy. Let's see the coil pack in there. I think the 4 to 5 this it's not that easy, so we are do it underneath.
We could do it right here because the coil pack's over here.
Okay. Can you unplug it?
Yeah.
But I think that 4 is gonna be okay.
Well, how did this?
This thing hooked to the coil pack.
This?
Yeah. Okay. All we do is this side is hooked up to the coil pack, and one of this side hook it to the other. Okay, let's see. It's that way, right?
No.
I think.
This has to go to a spark plug.
Huh? Oh, okay.
Spark plug.
This is going here.
Yeah. This.
Yeah, that's why I said
Then.
we do it from the other end. Just plug it back in.
So.
Yeah. You can't do it, so we have to take out one of the tire.
We could take this off.
No. After you take that one out, it will be harder than we do in the bottom.
Okay. That's cool.
I will just about plug this again. Oh, let me see. Oh, we could do it. Take out this thing here.
That's what I just
Okay.
said.
Yeah, let's do it.
Because we're not starting.
Yeah.
This should be-
What I misunderstand, my son said. He said you gotta take out this here and just unscrew this screw here, and we'll just pull out this thing. Might be a lot easier.
But then this has to go as spark plug. Right?
You got two way. This one go inside there. Let me see. Yeah. No, anyway, it's the wrong way. Let's see it.
It's all going anymore.
Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah. This goes as spark plug.
This one. Let's see. This will go like this in here. You click it there?
No.
Okay, so it might be harder.
The throttle body's in the way.
Yeah. See, we can't do it because this thing got on the way. I mean, to go under. Hold on. Yeah. We'll plug them back in. You do underneath.
Yeah. Plug this one back in.
Plug this back in.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh, well. take out this tire. I think with the last time we can't remember where the last time we put the key, key lock.
I think it's in the glove box.
Yeah. Let's see right here. That's a lock nut. So we have to look for the key for this thing. So all this is a normal socket, but this one is a special one. We'll look for the key. We'll try to take out the tire. Oh, we got the key. That's the main point. So we'll try to take out this tire and this is a very low car, and it's not that easy to lift it up, but okay. Last time we did with our BMW here, we used a ramp. That metal ramp right there is don't even use it, folks. That metal ramp right here. We used to drive the car up to this ramp, and then we use a floor jack to jack the car up on the back. And this thing the car rolling back almost killed me and my son. I would toss this thing, but I don't know what I'm gonna do because my cross street neighbor give it to me. Right now we try to take out the tire. That lot nut without the tire key will not be able to. So we have to keep this little handy tool here secure. We will keep this little tool there in a safe place. It's a little nice car here, and I don't know. That we have more space right here. No, it was tighter, but what are we gonna do? Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, everything's so tight. Okay, the spark plug was right there. Have the trailing and the leading. As I said, that 4 spark plug right there, 2 on the top is, I think, was the trailing, and 2 on the bottom is the leading. We just got the test light here from O'Reilly, and I never done that, I never used that before. I will try to figure out how to connect this. Okay, right now everything got hooked up. See if any spark from that test light. Okay, try it. Yeah. Try again. There we go. We got it. We got the spark on the first one. we're gonna try to do all of them. Okay, all right, this is the second coil pack that we test. See if got spark. Yeah, ready. Oh yeah, okay, go again. Why this one reacted so slow? Try again. Hold it. Hold the brake. Hold the yeah. All right. This one reacted so weird. I move to the next one. Okay, this is the third coil pack. Okay, do it again. Okay, we got spark. No, same. Still got the same like the other one, but this is the fourth one. I will check it about. See, okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay. All right, folks. We'll try to use this test light. We'll check all the spark plug, the coil pack, and they have spark to this thing, to the spark plug. But it's only like 2 on the bottom. It's they call a leading. The reacts is so better than the 2 trailing. The 2 trailing is reacts slow, so I really don't know. It's not supposed to be like that, or that's how the design. I really don't know, but tell you what, Sam, I think we're gonna check the compression again and try to see how good the compression is. Because last time we checked, the compression is kind of like low, but after we shoot out the water too, and the compression is going up. And I don't know, this is the carbon part here so long, and might be no water lubricates in the chamber or not. What's it's about right now, we're about taking all the spark plug, and then we will shoot the, not oil this time, we're gonna shoot the transmission fluid to the chamber. Which is bottom, it's a leading, top is trailing. Also this one bottom there, it's leading, and top one is a trailing. So, oh, so complicated. It's a Mazda, and we'll try to do a compression right now. Check it, see how this thing works. After, no, we try to do a compression right at the moment here, and we shoot some more transmission fluid to the engine chamber and see if improving the compression. Yeah, we're gonna keep the 3. Don't over tight. Just make it tight enough. We're gonna leave the 3 of the plug with plug in before we're doing some compression tests. Right now, check and see, just go ahead, do it. Yeah, the compression is very good now, almost like 100 psi. Okay, hold on. Hold, release it and do it again. Okay, compression is very high now. It's almost It's past 95 psi. 95 psi. It's right there. It's very high. All right, right here, right now. Before we shoot the transmission fluid we test the compression was 95 psi here. Okay, and this point I don't really know, but you smell some gas?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we are gonna do a trolling. We're doing the trolling, the upper one. We're gonna about doing this one right now. See what the reading is. I will put down today the date. Well, today was the 20.
I think it's 28.
May 28 and 2022. Okay, this is May 28, 2022. And we'll do a compression test for this bad boy here. Okay, if we have all the compression is it's about that high, we're not supposed to shoot the transmission fluid to the chamber. Well, let's see. Okay, ready? Okay, hold on just a minute. Some cut here. Okay. Hold on just a minute. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's a 90 psi. Okay, do it again. Okay, good. This 90 psi. Yeah, it's very good. 90 psi. We'll check all the Okay. Then we'll just deflood it. It was supposed to work now, but the winds. It's very windy here. It's very windy in Michigan here today. I got runny nose. The trolling is 90 psi. The leading is 95 psi.
You'll give me a needle more?
Okay. Alright. Right now we're about doing this leading here. Leading number 2. Alright. Let's go check it out here. Okay, hold on just a minute. Alright, go ahead. Okay, this one, let's see, this is about 80 psi. Okay, do it again. Yeah, it's about 90 psi. This is 80. Okay, hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's a 90 psi. So this leading here is a little bit 5 psi less than the other one, but at this point it should work. Close enough. Are we about to do the last one? All right. If we could fix this car, make it run, this is gonna be a beautiful car.
I have to change the.
See, everything is still original equipment, and nobody was modify this thing before. see underneath it's still very clean, no rust at all. If this car is originate from South Carolina, and most of the time it's in Michigan here, it's in the parking garage. This is the moment of truth. We deflug the engine, we check the compression, and we do everything now. See if the car starting. All right, go ahead, do it. Okay, the car not started. Do it again. Almost. Do it again, almost. Yeah. Okay. Just move it. Okay, hold on. The car just started. It's a little bit then. Okay, go, huh? Yeah. Okay, just a minute. Okay. What the hell? Something really wrong with this car. Yeah, pump the gas and do it. Okay. Pump the gas. Okay, continue. Do it. Okay, don't pump it. Just. I'm pretty sure that we have the gas. They could smell the gas. And alright, let me do it. Okay, we're about using this multimeter here to check all the fuses that we don't know. We're gonna go across each fuse, make sure it's beeping, make sure it's at continuity. Yeah, that one good. Good. Going down here. Okay. What about the inside? Do they have any fuse inside? Fuse box and inside here. So we're about check it out, see if the Whatever you don't hear the beeping, means that the fuel is blown. So the fuel is good. I really don't know what should be the issue. Right.
I don't know how to check this relays.
The relay, I know how. If you can plug it, unplug it. It's about putting this thing back. Look at this baby. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, the car's running a little bit. It's just some more of those stay in. The car should, I don't know, folks. It looked like it was started, but it's not. I just close the hood and we just, I think pretty much that's it. Okay, got key outside, got that down. Look at this thing. Look awesome. Right. I think that's it for today. And we're coming back and working up a little bit. Yeah, go ahead there. This car still looks very, very nice shape, decent. It's 2005. And okay, YouTube. This car, we check all the spark plug, and we do have the spark, but the two leading is active so good, but the two trailing is kind of like active, no, delay, and I don't know that is be the quarter pack or that's a design, And also we check the compression of this engine here. The engines here have a very high compression. It's 90 to 95 psi. And at this point, the engine should start it and run. But as you see, the engine is still not running, the car is still not running. And if you have any suggestion or any that you relate experience, please write down and subscribe to my channel and tell me what should I do to get this car run. I very appreciate your help. Thanks a lot.